Okay guys, welcome back, and now today's tutorial I'm going to show you the app that you're going to use to download a free video or a free image. So you go to your Play Store. Let's search our Play Store here. Open your Play Store and you're going to go and download the app. Go for search and search Pixabay or Pixabay. Yes, Pixabay. You can see Pixabay is an app that you use to download a free image and video. I already have it here, so I'm going to open it so that you will see what I'm talking about. You can see, so Pixabay, this is a Pixabay. It has a few images and video for you to download freely. You can click on it and you can also search for any image or video you're looking for. So if I click on, you can see I search for cup. You can search for cup. You can see, and Pixabay is here to bring a lot of pictures of cup for you. Just click on the image. When you click on the image, you can see this is it here. Click on save and you have automatically saved the image into your device. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment. Thank you for watching.